Welcome to Beer Barbecue Baseball. I have my dad with me here. We are going to have Kona Brewing Company's Big Wave Golden Ale, 4.4% alcohol by volume. So this is a very light for an ale. I don't see the IBUs on here anywhere. And if I had my glasses on, I would read a little to you, but I don't. So
I'd read it, but it's in German. You're around the waves that roll on Hawaii's beaches are some of the best in the world. Catch the crest of a breaking wave and ride it all the way in. Well, there's more.
yep.
Our son, the stench big wave. Golden Ale is a smooth brew inspired by what makes Hawaii great. Catch a wave.
All right. So you never had this before, right?
Never had
Okay.
it. Been to Hawaii, but never had this.
Here is the cap. Oh, look at that smoke. You see that?
Smell that smoke.
See that smoke coming out?
Yep.
That's water vapor.
Oh,
So, should have brought two of these out here.
to what?
2 beers.
Oh, at 8%? No, this is
No,
4%.
4%.
I still smell pineapple.
Maybe that's because it's from Hawaii.
Oh,
They do have breweries in the continental United States. I think Portland or somewhere around there, Washington, maybe even somewhere else. But anyway, let's get a nose on it.
we'll smell yours, yeah. Still the pineapple.
It smells malty to me. Just so you can get a look, it's not very dark. It kind of lager-esque. Kind of a dark golden, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I suppose.
Lightly carbonated. I see more carbonation in yours than...
You poured mine first.
Oh yeah, but that shouldn't matter. Ah, there we go. Just gotta turn my glass.
Oh.
Kind of smells sweet too.
Still taste the pineapple.
Maybe you should have rinsed your mouth.
Oh. Yeah, I could have done that. Should have done that.
So what are you getting?
I like that. That's good. I generally don't care much for an ale.
Yeah. Well, with the alcohol, the ABV being lower, it kind of tames it down a little bit. You get anything? Get anything come forward to you?
No. I'd buy it though.
I think it was only $7.99 a 6-pack. That's not that bad, really. For craft beer standards. We want to consider Kona still a craft beer. Technically, they're partially owned by AB InBev, so. But
It
you
ain't
know,
bad.
the aroma I think is really nice, malty, sweet.
You didn't do my glass good enough.
No, that's from your. That's what you want to see.
This?
Yeah, that's called lacing.
Ooh. I got 2 lacings. Or 3 lacings.
I mean, this is really good. This is very easy to drink. Obviously, that's why we should have brought 2 out here.
All gone.
And you don't get anything but goodness, right? And
Yeah,
you just
that's much better than...
chugged it down. Well, compare that to your favorite beer, Pabst Blue Ribbon.
Oh. Oh,
If you had the two sitting in front of you, which one would you grab?
I'd rather have Pabst.
Are you being serious?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Or a Bush.
You'd rather have Bush over that too?
Yeah.
Huh. But it's very easy to drink.
You can tell
It's
the
got
difference.
less alcohol in it than a Pabst.
Yeah. You can tell the difference in ale and a lager.
Oh yeah. Well, they're brewed differently,
Yeah.
so.
I just like the lager because it's what I always drink.
Right. So, out of 5, what would you give this one?
Probably a 4.
4.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
That's pretty good. That's pretty high. That's
No.
really good. That's a really good
No.
score. So, I'm actually going to do the same. I'm going to give it a 4. I've had this before, and you know, every time I drink it, I'm like, I gotta buy that more often. It's really good, and then I don't drink it for several more months, but I need to get it in my regular rotation for sure. So
I like it.
anyway,
I'd buy it.
Dad gives it a 4. I give it a 4 for the Big Wave Golden Ale. It's very good. You know, if we had a 6-pack, we would sit here and drink it all, wouldn't we?
You betcha. Oh my.
We do have a 6-pack of it. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we will talk to you all later.
Aloha.